Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to make Windows 10 always display full path in the File Explorer address bar, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you to the procedure. Now this option is disabled by default, but we can change this option from the Registry Editor tool. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. Type the command regedit and hit enter to open the Registry Editor window. Go to H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, cabinet state. In the right pane you'll find a DWORD 32-bit entry named full path. Double click on it. The default value would be 0. Please change it to 1. Hit enter to save the setting. That's it. It will solve the problem in discussion. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.